Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3350 3300 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. We're going to connect it with mobile phone and also add it to computer. I find that process very easy to follow. So what we need to do is we need to press the smartphone button. It will show you wireless. So press the smartphone button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and you will see that the smartphone is highlighting on the LCD screen. Then you release the button, the Wi-Fi icon will be highlighting, and also the power on button is highlighting. You need to wait for 2 lines to show, and you can see that the 2 line is now showing on the Wi-Fi image. What that means is the printer is now in a wireless mode. We want to connect it with mobile phone first, then add it to computer. So what you need to do is you need to go to Play Store, install Canon Print app, open Canon Print app, then search for printer. So it's now searching for the printer. Is your printer listed below? Then you select no. When the printer is detected on the next screen, tap to connect, then select next. So the printer is found, TS3300 series. Select connect, connected, and it's processing. The printer will be connected to the following router. So you found the network, then you select yes, communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. And if you look on the printer, the Wi-Fi reception is now full up and is no longer flashing. So the printer is connected. So this is the printer TS3300 series online. So this printer is now connected to a wireless network with this mobile phone. You can print documents, you can print text. If you want to print documents, select print documents, then select documents. Then it will take you to your file for you to select the documents. So select the document. The document is processing. This is 2-page document. Select next. We want to print current page. Then select OK. Then select change settings. You select number of copies, media type, and color. Once you select and plain paper, color, we want to print it in color. Then go back. Then select print. This is the document we printed out, and also it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. Now the next thing to do is to add this to your computer. You go to your laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then add a device. It will start to search for available printer. Canon TS3300 series is available. You need to add the printer, add a device, and it's connecting. Now it's installing. It's showing us ready. So the printer is ready. If you want to print a test page, you need to select on the printer. If it's not opening up, then you need to go off on the screen and come back again. So go back to printer settings, go to laptop settings, then select printers and scanners, then look for Canon TS3300 series, select on it, and the printer is showing us idle. You can print a test page, so select print test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. it will show you color support, yes, data, raw, Canon TS3350 series, Windows X64. So this is printer test page. Now another thing also to do is for us to go back to laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then select Canon Print, select add a device. It will show you the scanner. So select add the scanner, or you select TS. So there are several options. You can select multifunction printer, inkjet and scanner. So you select add. And now it's installing. Then select open. You can go off and come back again. Go to scanner, printer and scanners. Then you look from the list. It will show you Canon TS3350 series. This one can print test page, and also this one is also with the scanner settings. So from scanner settings, you can open scanner property to make sure you can see the printer, or you refresh it. Once you refresh it, you can add the printer on the scanner. So you select open scanner, then you scroll down from the list and look for Canon Print app, or you select scanner property, select add the printer, select yes, click next, select next, select next, select finish. Then go to property again, select refresh. The next thing to do, you can close it, give it some time. Another thing we need to do is go to Microsoft Store and type Canon Print app. Select Canon Print app, install it on your computer, open it up. So this is Canon Print app. Then the next thing to do is scroll to the side to look for this printer. This is the printer, TS3350 series online. So you wait for the app to be ready. And from this app, this is the printer. This is the printer, TS3350 series. And from this app, you can print document, you can scan document. To print document from the app, you select print document, then go to the file, go to documents or download. So type the document you want to print, then select the document, select open file. This is the document you want to print, then select print. We want to print this, just one page, then select print, and we want to print only page one, then select print. So the document is printing. This is the document we printed out. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone, and then add it to your computer, and also add it via window. And this is Canon Print app. And if you go back to the window, select the settings, then go to printers and scanners, then look for Canon TS3350 series, select on it. It's showing us idle, then select scanner settings, then select scanner property. And if you look, you can see that the printer is now showing us TS3350 series on the scanner property. Then you close it. Open scanner. If you want to scan document, then scroll down from the list and you will see Canon TS3350 series. Select on it. Then you can put the document if you want to scan on the glass scanner, for example, face down. Then select scan. Select the source and also the document as PNG, source auto-configured. Select show more. We want to save it in the document, then select scan. So the document is scanning. So we are now scanning using window. And once you're done, you select view. This is the document we scanned. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone, then add it to your computer and also add it using Canon PRINT app to the computer and also Windows. We printed documents, printed a test page, and also scanned documents on Windows to confirm that the printer is working. Thank you very much indeed.